Next we have columns, inserting columns and columns break. So in Microsoft Word, when you type a document, by default, when you type a document or a paragraph, by default it is displayed in a column style or in a paragraph style. But if you want to format the document in a newspaper style, if you have noticed, the paragraphs given in the newspapers are divided into multiple columns. It is given in a column style. The paragraphs are formatted in column style. Here Microsoft Word also provides you the facility to divide a page or a paragraph into multiple columns. How to do it? First you select the paragraph, then from the page layout tab you select column option, and from the menu you select the option up to how much you want to break the paragraph. Suppose into 2 columns I want to break, select 2, the paragraph is divided into 2. If you select 3, the paragraph will be divided into 3 columns. Okay, now next we have inserting column breaks. Inserting column breaks means suppose if you want the paragraph, you can customize the break as per your need. So if you want the paragraph, if you want to break the paragraph from here, if you want this from this position, I want the text to appear in the next column. First you place the cursor, then from the column you select from the page setup group you select break, and from the menu you select the option column. So from where you have selected, the text will be moved to the next column. This is called inserting column breaks. Next we have inserting page break. Page break means it will shift the selected text to a new page. I have selected this from this position, the rest of the text will be moved to the new page. From the page setup group you select the break option, and from the menu you select the option page. So the text will be moved to the new page. Next we have line break. Line break means it will move the line to a new position. So first you place the cursor on the position from where you want to add a line break, then press shift plus enter key from the keyboard, then the line will be moved to the new position. Okay, this is inserting line breaks.